Hello, my name is Rory Folger.
And I'm Aaron Gillum. We will be guiding you through this course on creative computation. All you need to do is log in or sign up with a free Wolfram U account. Each section has chapters where you can watch the video and read the accompanying notebook, and then take a short quiz to cement your understanding.
In each section, you'll learn some relevant Wolfram Language functionality, which will allow you to complete the project at the end. The projects ask you to use the skills that you learned in each section to build something creative and exciting, like visual art, computational poetry, audio visualization, and 2 types of video game. You have a lot of freedom with the projects to be as creative as you want. We provided instructions for how we did each project, but you can choose to go in different directions.
Wolfram Language is a great tool for creative computation. We have functions that allow you to skip low-level programming and get straight to creating, and there's a wide variety of functionality we can use to get creative. All in one notebook, you can do image processing, text manipulation, audio analysis and editing, and create interactive user experiences. Learning Wolfram Language opens up a world of computation, and the skills you learn in this course will allow you to use it in any field.
There are loads of other courses on Wolfram U that you might enjoy, like computational explorations, computation for social sciences, computational zoology, and data visualization with Wolfram Language. By the end of this course, you should have a portfolio of creative computation projects and be able to use the Wolfram Language in other fields. We hope that you have a great time in this course exploring the capabilities of Wolfram Language, using code for creativity, and learning how to think computationally. Good luck!
Hi, this is Arbin with Wolfram U, and I just wanted to let you know that this course includes our AI course assistant, which uses the information in the lesson notebook to help answer your questions about both the lesson material and the relevant Wolfram language code via a convenient chat interface. Course Assistant is available to all tiers of Wolfram AI Access subscribers, so give it a shot today.